Hi, my name is Janice and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do when you have a lot of carrots in your fridge. Now, I don't know if you have this problem at home, but here where I live in Germany, people always buy vegetables in bulk because they come in these 1 kilogram packages. I would often end up throwing out vegetables by the end of the week because they go bad before I could come up with ways to use them. So this recipe that I'm going to show you today will allow you to use up a lot of carrots in one delicious dish. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. You will need 500 grams of carrots, thickly sliced, 1 cup of chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon powdered ginger, and toasted sesame seeds for garnish. So we start by making our sauce. To our chicken broth, we add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, our garlic, so, our ginger powder. And now it's time to cook our carrots. So to our pan, a little oil, and heat it up. Once it's heated through, we add the carrots and toss them in the oil. Now we add our sauce. And let that come to a boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, like this, turn down the heat to a simmer and let it simmer uncovered until the sauce thickens. So as you can see, our sauce is reduced and thickened up considerably. All of our carrots are coated in this sticky sweet sauce. Now we're ready to serve. And here's our dish, all plated up and garnished with sesame seeds. This dish works best as a side dish, but it is so tasty it can also be eaten as a main dish. And that's my video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you all next time.